Guys, I paid $1 a piece for these old jump boxes. I bought this one back some years ago with one similar to this, not this one in particular. And I wound up giving it to my dad because it was just crap. The commercial was advertising that it would start 20 buses, school buses, off a single charge, and that was just so misleading. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put an amazing battery in it. These come apart really easy. 6 Phillips screws, guys. 1, 2, 3 on this one, 4, 5, 6. And there's 2 on the back here on the handle. And I've already taken it apart. As you can see, I'm gonna put a better battery in here. After so many charges, they're pretty much useless. And I'm gonna remove this and order a Mighty Max like this, but I ordered the one the same size. I'll show you guys that process that I ordered. I'm gonna open this one up. I got it plugged up on a charger that I had laying around, and the light works when it's plugged up, but nothing. So this battery's dead. This one's awesome. It also has a power inverter on the back of it. So this is pretty cool. And I'm gonna take this one apart and order both batteries, guys, and clean them up. And I'll have me 2 really nice jumper boxes. This is the battery for this one. I'll order the same size battery. It's 12 volts, 17 amp hours. Okay, guys, both of them appears to take, the battery sizes are the exact same. Although they're 2 different jump boxes, guys, they have the exact same battery in them. This may be the standard battery for these jump boxes. They're 6.5 inches tall, 3 inches wide. So we're gonna make both of these like new, guys. We're gonna clean them up. So then we can order 2 batteries, and I'll show you guys the batteries I bought and the whole process. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, both of my batteries has arrived today. I'm gonna make both of these jump boxes back like brand new. We're gonna clean them up, and I have 2 reliable jump boxes. Same setup, guys. And we're gonna place these garbage batteries. 12 volts, 18 amp hours. This is 12 volts, 17 amp hours. But these Mighty Max batteries are incredible. I've been using them for at least 5 years or better. I started using these batteries as replacement batteries, and they last. So I'm gonna get these swapped out, guys. Assemble this back together. And another thing I want to note, look at the battery terminals, guys. Look at the terminals. They're on the outer edge, and these are inside somewhat. They're 1/2 inch inside. These are right on the edge of this battery. So you have to move the cable. You have to shift the cables over some, but it still works fine. Okay, guys, this one is done. I'm gonna snap the accessory. This is the cover for the inverter on, and this is with the accessory inside of here. I'm gonna pop that on after we clean it up. Got some awesome in a rag. I'm gonna clean this off, guys. Get them back looking good. We're gonna test them out and see what we got with my fluke meter. Okay, guys, we're cleaned up. I'm gonna do some testing now. This is not working. The charge indicator button, it wasn't working with the old battery when I tried to charge it. The light's working. Inverter's working. Inverter's working. So let's test the power, guys. Okay. Let's turn the power on. $13 volts, guys. This connection is. There we go. If I hold it right on there, I'm good. So I'm gonna turn it off. Let's see. The light's not working still, but let's turn it off. No power. Success. this light work. This, oh, okay, there it goes. There it goes, guys. All right. So we're gonna get this thing all the way charged up. That's the brand new battery, guys. I never charged it. So, success here. Guys, I don't think I showed a side-by-side of the new battery against the older batteries. This one, battery here, just came out of this one. And this one came out of this guy. And they're identical sizes. The one come out of the Peak jump box is identical to the replacement battery, the Mighty Max. But they're identical batteries. Look at these are even, the terminals are even offset like the other batteries, so this should fit right in there really good. And this one's, like I said, they're on the outer edge of the battery. So let me get this one back installed, guys, and put it back up, clean it up, and show you guys. These come from the factory pre-charged, so it should be ready to go once I install it. Okay, battery is installed. Well, let me put the case back, the back of the case back on. Clean this thing up, it's filthy, and I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, guys, I have this one ready to go. I have a multimeter set. The light doesn't work. I think the bulb is blown, so I have to take that apart from here, change the bulb. The indicator works fine. It's reading that it's fully charged. Let's see. Multimeter's on, leave it steady. Both in the wow, 13 volts. This thing is putting out, guys. So success. It's all filthy and dirty. You gotta put the screws in it now and clean it up. All right, I'm done with both of them. Really pleased with how they turned out. I have two like new, reliable jump starters now. I'll be using these things all winter long, guys. As the fall season approaches and winter comes, I'll have one in each vehicle. Well, I just have one in my truck and one in the garage for on standby. Don't throw away your old battery jump pack systems, guys. Just replace those batteries. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Got a whole lot more stuff coming to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, I'm out.